na chef's night with 2 sittings per night. Finally, this is my last chef's night. It's a bittersweet kasi tapos na. Pero okay din kasi at least tapos na, makakapagpahinga na and I can move on to another thing. Thank you sa lahat po ng nag-experience ng Opposites Attract Chef's Night. Maraming salamat talaga kasi this is what makes me happy. Thank you for being a part of my happiness. I do hope na one day maservan ko ulit kayo ng Chef's Night and I hope to see you here at Agredaba Westgate. Thank you very much. And again, to my cast members, Kitchen and FOH, Ate Malu, Kuya Dondi, and of course Ryan. Maraming salamat. I love you guys and I love you, Papa, for always trusting me and always having my back. And Chef Sonny,